In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the entire signing process from the moment your document is open, all the way to sending it off for review. By the end, you'll feel confident adding your signature in a clean, professional way. First, make sure you have the document you want to sign open in Pandadoc. This could be a contract, an agreement, a proposal, or any other file that requires your signature. Take a moment to check that you're on the correct version of the document and that all the content looks right before you start adding signatures. It's always easier to fix text or numbers now than after everything has been signed. Once your document is open, look for the option to add fields and specifically locate the signature field. You're going to click, then drag and drop that signature field onto the document. Place it exactly where you want the signature to appear, usually near the bottom of the page above your printed name, title, or date line. If the placement isn't perfect the first time, that's okay. You can adjust it by dragging it slightly until it sits in the right spot and looks aligned with the rest of the content. Next, double-click the signature field you just placed. This is what opens up the signing options and tells Pandadoc that you're ready to actually create your signature. If you accidentally click elsewhere and the options close, just double-click that signature field again to reopen it. Now you'll see a few different ways to create your signature. You can draw, type, or upload. If you choose draw, you can use your mouse or trackpad to write out your signature by hand, which gives it a more natural, handwritten feel. If you choose type, you simply type your name, and Pandadoc will generate a stylized signature for you, which is quick and clean. And if you already have a saved signature image, choose Upload and select that file from your computer. Pick the option that fits your needs best, then click Accept and Sign. This confirms your choice and applies your signature to the field. Finally, when your signature is in place and you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top of the screen and click Review and Send. This step is important because it finalizes the document and prepares it to be shared. Take a brief moment to scan through the pages one more time, then send it to the appropriate recipient or recipients. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully signed your document in Pandadoc and sent it off for review.